Hello, my friends. Let's talk about the power you hold to transform your life, right now, this week. You see, change doesn't need to be distant or gradual, it can happen swiftly when you shift your habits and your focus. Today, we'll explore 5 habits that can create profound changes in just 1 week. These are not abstract ideas but practical steps you can begin applying immediately. The first habit is revising your day before sleep. Every night, before drifting off, revisit the events of your day. Replay the moments that didn't go as you desired, but this time, imagine them going exactly the way you wished. See yourself responding differently, achieving what you wanted, or hearing the words you longed for. By doing this, you aren't just rewriting the past, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences, it simply accepts what you impress upon it. With practice, you'll notice a shift in how your days unfold, aligning more closely with your intentions. Next is the habit of living from the end. This means experiencing, in your imagination, the feeling of already having what you desire. If it's love, wealth, or health you seek, don't dwell on the lack of it. Instead, close your eyes and immerse yourself in the feeling of already being loved, prosperous, or vibrant. Hold this feeling as if it's your reality. By doing this, you're aligning yourself with the state you wish to manifest, and life will begin to reflect it back to you. The third habit is affirming with conviction. Words have immense power. When you declare something with feeling, you impress it upon your subconscious. Start your day with affirmations that resonate deeply with your desires. Say, I am abundant, I am loved, or I am in perfect health. Don't just say them, feel the truth of those statements as you speak them. Repetition, coupled with feeling, builds belief, and belief changes everything. The fourth habit is practicing gratitude in advance. Gratitude is transformative. But here's the key, express gratitude not just for what you already have, but for what you're calling into your life. Thank the universe, or God, for your dreams as though they are already yours. Feel the joy of receiving even before it happens. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the frequency of what you desire. And the fifth habit is letting go of the how. Many people hinder their manifestations by obsessing over how things will happen. Your job isn't to figure out the logistics, it's to remain faithful to the vision. When you surrender control of the process, you make space for miracles. Trust that the means will unfold naturally. Detach from the outcome while staying rooted in the belief that it is already done. To create lasting change in a short period, it's essential to develop habits that actively reshape your inner world. Another habit that has transformative power is visualizing your day ahead each morning. Upon waking, before the rush of daily tasks consumes you, take a few moments to sit in silence and imagine your day unfolding perfectly. See yourself moving through your day with ease, achieving your goals, and feeling at peace. This habit programs your mind to expect favorable outcomes, aligning you with opportunities that match your vision. It's like planting seeds of success in your consciousness every morning. Another habit to adopt is self-dialogue awareness. Pay close attention to how you talk to yourself throughout the day. Often, we are unaware of the negative narratives running through our minds, doubts, fears, and self-criticism. Interrupt these patterns with empowering statements. For instance, if you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough for this, replace it with, I am more than capable, and this is mine to achieve. Changing your inner dialogue shifts your energy and the outcomes you attract. Next, let's consider the importance of surrounding yourself with uplifting influences. The people, environments, and information you expose yourself to have a profound impact on your mindset. Seek out individuals who inspire and encourage you. Create a space that feels peaceful and supportive. Limit exposure to negativity, whether it's news, social media, or conversations that drain your energy. By curating your surroundings, you ensure that you're feeding your mind with positivity and possibilities. Another powerful habit is engaging in acts of kindness. When you give to others, whether it's through a kind word, a small gesture, or lending your support, you elevate not only their lives but your own. Kindness creates a ripple effect, bringing joy and fulfillment into your life. It also shifts your focus away from lack and into abundance, as you realize the wealth of love and generosity you already possess. So, take time for mindful breathing. This habit grounds you in the present moment and helps you release stress and tension. Throughout your day, pause for a few minutes to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold the breath for a moment, and exhale slowly. With each exhale, imagine releasing any doubts or fears. This simple practice restores clarity and calm, allowing you to approach challenges with confidence. By incorporating these habits, you're not just creating change, you're embodying the person you aspire to become. Each step builds on the next, weaving together a life that feels purposeful and fulfilling. And the beauty of this process is that it begins within you, right now, in this moment. Adopting these 5 habits doesn't require major upheavals in your life, it simply asks for consistency and faith. As you incorporate these practices into your daily routine, you'll begin to notice remarkable shifts. What once seemed impossible will start to feel inevitable. This week can be the week your life begins to change, one deliberate thought, one intentional habit at a time. A critical habit for immediate change is acknowledging your wins, big or small. Often, we focus so much on what's left to do that we forget to celebrate our progress. Take a moment at the end of each day to identify at least 3 things you accomplished, no matter how minor they may seem. Did you take a step toward your goal? Did you overcome a challenge? Recognizing your achievements builds momentum and reinforces the belief that you're capable of even greater success. Another habit worth cultivating is asking empowering questions. Instead of dwelling on problems or limitations, shift your focus by asking yourself, what is the best outcome here, or how can I turn this into an opportunity? Questions like these direct your mind to solutions and possibilities rather than obstacles. Your brain naturally seeks answers to the questions you pose, so make them positive and constructive. This habit can transform the way you approach challenges and open doors you never imagined. Equally powerful is the habit of journaling with intention. Writing down your thoughts, goals, and reflections has a clarifying effect. It's not just about recording your day but about expressing your desires, identifying patterns, and tracking growth. Use your journal to script the life you want, as if it's already happening. Write as though your dreams are a present reality, describing how it feels and what it looks like. This practice reinforces your vision and keeps your focus aligned with your desires. Each of these habits builds upon the foundation of self-awareness and deliberate action. By committing to these practices, you're stepping into your role as the creator of your reality. Change doesn't require years of effort. It starts with small, consistent actions that ripple outward into every area of your life. Change is never as far away as it seems. It begins with the simplest of choices, the quiet moments where you decide to act differently, think differently, and show up differently for yourself. The habits we've explored today are practical, actionable, and designed to help you see immediate shifts in your life.